minimizing potential negative impacts on the universe and other living beings. In addition to the ethical and practical issues associated with space exploration, there are also ongoing debates about the funding and priorities of space programs. Some of the key issues that are being debated include funding, the amount of government funding that should be allocated to space programs, and the balance between funding for manned and unmanned missions. Exploration versus exploitation, the balance between exploring space for scientific discovery and exploration, and utilizing space for commercial purposes, such as mining or tourism. Human versus robotic missions, the balance between manned and unmanned missions, and the benefits and drawbacks of each approach. Space debris, the increasing amount of debris in space, and the potential risk to spacecraft and satellites. International cooperation, the importance of international cooperation in space exploration, and the potential benefits of pooling resources and expertise. As we continue to explore the universe, it is important that we consider these issues and work to develop a balanced and sustainable approach to space exploration. By investing in both manned and unmanned missions, exploring space for scientific discovery and exploration, and utilizing space for commercial purposes in a responsible way, we can ensure that space exploration benefits humanity, while minimizing potential negative impacts on the universe and other living beings. Another important issue in space exploration is space law. As space activities become more frequent and diverse, there is a growing need for laws and regulations to govern these activities and ensure their safe and sustainable conduct. Some of the key issues in space law include liability. Who is responsible if a space activity results in damage to property or injury to people? Property rights. Who owns resources extracted from space, such as minerals or water? Space debris. How should space debris be managed and mitigated to ensure the safety of spacecraft and satellites? Military use of space. The use of space for military purposes, such as surveillance or defense, and the potential risks and benefits of such activities. Space tourism, the regulation of space tourism, including safety standards and liability issues. Intellectual property, the protection of intellectual property rights related to space activities, such as patents and trademarks. International treaties and agreements, such as the Outer Space Treaty and the Moon Agreement, provide a framework for the governance of space activities. However, there is ongoing debate about the adequacy of these agreements and the need for new laws and regulations to address emerging issues in space exploration. As space exploration continues to expand, it is important that we develop a robust and effective legal framework to govern these activities. This will require international cooperation and dialogue, as well as the engagement of experts from a range of fields, including law, science, and engineering. By working together to develop responsible and sustainable space laws and regulations, we can ensure that space exploration benefits humanity while minimizing potential negative impacts on the universe and other living beings. One of the most exciting and promising areas of space exploration is the search for habitable exoplanets, or planets beyond our solar system that could potentially support life. The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and has opened up new avenues for exploration and discovery.